2024 was the year of hustle, but 2025, it's the year of leverage, and that leverage is AI. AI is the great multiplier. It's the reason ordinary people are building extraordinary businesses right now, even with zero tech skills, zero prior experience, and in some cases, zero starting capital. So, today I'm going to walk you through 5 AI business models that are making people serious money in 2025. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or just looking for a side hustle, this is your roadmap. The best part? You can start all of these with free or low-cost tools, and I'll explain exactly what they are, how they work, and why they're so profitable right now. Let's dive in. The first AI business is running a content creation agency powered by AI tools. Here's the opportunity. Brands need content. TikTok videos, Instagram posts, blog articles, YouTube scripts. They need them fast, and they need them consistently. Before AI, creating that much content took huge teams. Now, tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Runway can produce scripts, generate images, even edit videos for you in minutes. You can offer a service where you handle all content creation for a business, charging anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month. Your main job isn't writing every word yourself, it's prompting AI, editing for quality, and delivering finished assets. The second AI business is building and selling custom AI chatbots for small to medium businesses. Think about it. Every business wants faster customer service, lead capture, and 24/7 availability, but without paying a full support team. AI chatbots can answer FAQs, qualify leads, and even recommend products. With tools like ManyChat, BotPress, or custom GPTs, you can set one up for a business in a day or two, then charge them a setup fee plus a monthly subscription for hosting and maintenance. This is booming in industries like real estate, e-commerce, coaching, and hospitality. Third, AI-assisted online courses. There's a massive demand for learning, whether it's coding, photography, marketing, fitness, you name it. But the hardest part for most creators? Producing the lessons and materials. AI can help you research, structure, write, and even narrate or animate your course content. You can package these into a premium offer and sell them on platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, or Udemy, or even run them on your own site. Some people are making 5 figures a month doing this, because once the course is made, it's almost 100% passive. Number 4, selling AI-generated digital products. This could be eBooks, planners, templates, stock images, or social media graphics, all made with AI tools. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad are filled with sellers making $50, $100 per day from products they created once and sell over and over again. The key is picking a niche, creating high-quality designs, and using AI to speed up the production process so you can scale your store fast. Finally, business number 5 is AI consulting and automation. If you know how to integrate AI into a company's workflow, even at a basic level, you can save them time and money, and they'll gladly pay you for it. This could be setting up automated email responses, using AI to process data, or integrating AI into their marketing campaigns. Many businesses are aware of AI but don't know how to implement it. That's where you step in as the expert. So, to recap, the 5 profitable AI businesses in 2025 are AI Content Creation Agency, AI Chatbot Development, AI-powered course creation, AI Digital Product Store, AI Consulting and Automation. The beauty of these models is that they don't require you to code, hire big teams, or work 80-hour weeks. All they require is knowing how to leverage AI. And that skill is like holding a golden ticket right now. If you start today, you're not late, you're actually early. So pick one of these, take action, and start building. Your 300% AI profit program is waiting. Spots are filling fast. Tap the link in my bio now and start making profits with AI before you miss out.